static whispers in my ears. I can feel the pulse beneath the fear, waiting for the moment to disappear. The world is spinning like a broken record, voices blur into a single cry. I'm screaming out but no one hears, lost in this endless cycle of lies. Light up the sky and run away, tear down the walls and burn it all. My feet are flying as I chase the day, diving deep into the